Hello everyone, it's Julia here from Inflorescence Designs. Today I'm going to show you how to make a candy cane pillow using HeatnBond Craft Firm interfacing. So let's begin. Start by printing and cutting out the candy cane template. You can find the link in the description below to ThermOWeb's blog. Place the template on the fabric and cut it out. Next, mark the fabric on both the front and back pieces where it is indicated on the pattern. It is important that these marks match when sewing on the candy cane side panel, or it will be wonky. Continue by adhering the fusible craft interfacing strips to the fabric side panel. Begin sewing at the mark indicated on the template. Fold over the side panel 3/4 of an inch and begin sewing over the fold, backstitch to secure. Sew all the way around the candy cane using a 1/4 inch seam. Go slow. Try not to stretch the fabric when going around the curves. The tips of the candy cane are almost square, and a right angle stitch line is okay, or you can slightly curve it. When you reach the end, leave about 3 inches unsewn for now. Next, begin sewing on the other candy cane. Begin where indicated on the template. Again, go slow. Make sure to line up the marks as best as possible to the other candy cane. I suggest drawing a straight line across the side panel and pinning where the marks are. I speak from experience. If you're not careful, the side panel will be all wonky and there will be a lot of seam ripping. When you reach the end, fold over the end of the side panel and overlap the beginning fold. If there's extra fabric, you can trim. Sew all the way up and meet where you started and backstitch to secure. Next, turn the pillow right side out. Once right side out, stuff your pillow with fiberfill. Using an invisible stitch, sew up the side seam that was left unsewn. Continue sewing the opening closed over the side panel. Fluff your pillow, and you're finished.